Alright guys, so today we are going to be talking about Ocugen, OCGN. Obviously this is a stock that I am extremely bullish on because I've made so many videos on these guys already. We are seeing somewhat of a sell-off. If you look in the past week, we did go all the way up to a 400% increase in the past week, and now we only have a 220% increase in the past week, which tells me that we've lost about 100% in the past day. That is not looking too great, but it is what it is, guys. That is pretty normal for stocks that absolutely run up. They will crash down eventually. But personally, I'm still holding. I have a lot of faith in these guys, and I'm going to continue to hold, guys. I don't know about you guys. Hello there, everyone. Investors and traders alike. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. If you're new here on the channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Steven, and I run this channel, Market Craze. If you're a returning member, welcome back. All right, so today we are going to be talking about Ocugen, which is having a bit of a rough week so far. Aside from the run-up that we had on Monday, it is having a somewhat rough week, and you know, that is something that we don't like to see. Obviously, if we could, we would see green days every single day, but that's obviously not possible. Today we opened up on a 1154 and had a high of 1159 and a low of 950. Obviously that is not the greatest, especially since the last close, which is yesterday, was 1261. So that's hard to watch. But before we get into the rest of the video, guys, if you guys don't mind going down below, smashing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, turning on those post notifications, I would really appreciate that. We're already at 300 subscribers, trying to hit 1K by the end of March. So if we could do that, guys, that would be awesome. Only 7% of you guys are subscribed, so I would really appreciate it if we can change that. Also, if you guys want to be a part of the community, go down below and check out my Discord server. Anyway, guys, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about Ocugen. The reason I think Ocugen is falling off right now is because of all the bad press that places like Motley Fool and all these other analyst sites are giving them. These sites are complete bullcrap websites that will do anything to make a stock fall. That's what they do, and that's what they specialize at. Guys, they want to see the stock fall, and they want to see the dip. They don't want to see you guys win. I think that Ocugen might go all the way down to $8 because of these websites, but it will come back up. I am very bullish on these guys, aside from the vaccine. You know what I mean? Aside from the vaccine, these guys have a lot of potential. They are trying to help with eye care. That is something that is almost unfixable. If you are blind in your eye from a disease that you didn't necessarily want to happen, and it wasn't just born, you weren't born with it, it was something like they specialize in wet AMD and dry AMD. So that is something that is going to be a huge priority in the next couple of years. Aside from the vaccine, I think that these guys have a huge potential to be a company that is going to be a nice run up in the next 10, 15, 20 years, just because of the fact that they do have other priorities other than the vaccine. Once this vaccine is all taken care of and the, CVID is kind of in the past, it's no longer going to be something that people care about, man. It's just going to be something that people think about and they're like, yeah, that was a terrible time. But you can't just have your company rely on the vaccine. That is really ridiculous. Personally, I believe Moderna and Pfizer are overvalued. I don't really know anything about Moderna and Pfizer besides the fact that Moderna has vaccines and so does Pfizer. A lot of people, from what I've seen, are very concerned about the Pfizer vaccine because of how cold it has to be stored, and that is kind of a concern. And Pfizer has been trading completely sideways since about 6 months ago. Goes up and down and up and down, and there's really no continuation of support, whereas Moderna is trading highly. It's been up 50% over the past week, or 50% over the past month, and I mean, that's great and all, but I don't know anything about Moderna or Pfizer, and I tried to find other information on them, and I just can't find it. But with Ocugen, there is information at your fingertips 24/7, and I think these guys have a bright future. I do believe if the vaccine gets approved, Ocugen is undervalued, right? Ocugen already has a vaccine active in India, I believe. So if they do get approved, the vaccine, even if it's just in India, they are undervalued, if I'm going to be honest. $10 for a company that is dishing out millions and millions and even billions of vaccines to people is, yes, undervalued. I'm going to be honest. I think it's ridiculous how the Motley Fool and all these other companies are trying to downplay them and say that this is a company that doesn't deserve any attention. Ocugen deserves more attention than Moderna and all these other companies, in my opinion, because of the fact that they have longevity to them. But that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and talk about the price target for tomorrow. I think price target for tomorrow is going to be around $8.50. It is going down a bit, but I think it's going to hit around $8.50 to $9. I mean, if it keeps going down 10 to 17% every day, it is going to keep going down. And I think tomorrow is where it probably will take a halting stop. And then on Friday, we'll see a nice run up. But let's see if I'm right about that, guys. Who knows, right? This is all a guessing game. But I would love to know what you guys think about Ocugen in the comment section below. I am a massive bull on these guys, okay? Don't sell, buy every dip. That's just my opinion. Don't take my advice without consulting a financial advisor first or doing your own research. I am not a financial advisor by any means, but I would love to know what you guys think about Ocugen in the comment section below. Are you guys bullish on these guys or bearish? What are your thoughts on Ocugen as a company? Do you guys think that they are going to last after COVID, or do you guys think that they're going to fall off? I'd love to know what you guys think. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications and check out all my other outlets in the description below. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Peace.